Hey, what's up? It's your boy, and today we're taking a look at the Hasbro Lightning Collection Gold Beast Morphers Ranger, also known as Beat Buster. He's a pretty cool dude. Lots of articulation, very nice. He's got a ball joint at the head and a swivel so you can go back and forth. He's got a bicep joint and a butterfly so you can go in and out, rotate fully, and then rotate again at the bicep with a double jointed elbow. And then all the hands swivel and also have a hinge peg or a hinge or whatever you want to call. He's got an ab crunch and also like an ab swivel. So he can go down that much and back that much, which is pretty good, I guess. I don't know if I'm that posable. Legs. He can kick up that high. He can not really go back, but he's got a nice double joint. And then the boots can go forwards, up, well, I guess backwards and forwards, and then swivel left to right. I guess we'll just do a little size comparison quickly. So, before we get into accessories, so here we've got Beast Morpher Red. I think they scale well together, they look good. They look like they're part of a team. And then also, seeing as the team up's coming later this year, the Dino team up here is Kimberly. I think she is again scaled well with them. Okay, accessories now. He comes with a Nate head, which I think looks good. He looks nice, looks like him, but without his glasses. It's nice. 2 more hands, a closed fist right hand and a holding hand for his left. His morpher / pistol, and also his posing hand, as well as the lightning effect, which goes over the sword like so. And then, I don't really think you're supposed to, but you can just plug her in there, and that's pretty cool too. I guess we'll just do a cool pose and then, I don't know, end it off. But altogether, I think he's a cool figure. He poses well, he looks good. Definitely a cool goob. A cool dude and a cool goob. Damn. Okay, that's the end.